Hello students, welcome in your social science class. As you know that we were reading chapter 9th of history, establishment of company rule in India. In the previous lecture we discussed about East India Company and French East India Company. There were war of series between French East India Company and East India Company. The war of series was known as Carnatic Wars. In the previous lecture, we discussed about the first Carnatic War and the second Carnatic War. Today we are going to discuss about third Carnatic War. Third Carnatic War was proved to be the final nail in the coffin of French East India Company's ambitions in India. After the end of Third Carnatic War, French East India Company was dissolved. The ambition of establishing an empire in India ended and British supremacy was finally established. The time period of Third Carnatic War was 1756 to 1763. Third Carnatic War was begun in 1756 between French and the English. It was started in India due to in 1756 there was a war, you can say 7-year war started in Europe. The main cause of Carnatic War was 7-year war started in Europe. In 1756, 7-year war was started in Europe between English and French. That's why Third War Carnatic was started in 1756 between French and English. Okay, this war was started when the French, you know very well, Chandamangaur was the territory of French and Carnatic was under the control of British. Nizam, the fourth Nizam of Hyderabad, Syadat Jung. The area of northern Sirkar was under the control of Syadat Jung, the fourth Nizam of Hyderabad. This war was started when, from the Dupleix time in 1756, Dupleix was the Governor General of French East India Company. Chandamangaur became the main center of European commerce in Bengal. Chandamangaur was the area which was under the control of French East India Company and it was the main trading center of French East India Company. Chandamangaur was trading center of French East India Company. British East India Company attacked Chandamangaur, which was the trading center of French East India Company. It was the French factory and it was attacked by on the territory of Chandamangaur. French East India Company attacked on Chandamangaur on 23 March 1757. British government realized that to make their position strong, there was a need to change the Governor General of French East India Company. So, the new Governor General of East India Company was appointed. French East India Company appointed a new Governor General, Larret. Larret was appointed the new Governor General of French East India Company 1755 to 1758. Okay, After this, Laurent was replaced by Lally as the new Governor General of French East India Company. Okay, Lally was replaced with Laurent in 1758 to 1761. Lally took the control over Fort St. David, which was under the control of earlier British. Okay, Lally attacked Fort David and control over the area of Fort St. David, Cuddalore. Then, after the control of Fort St. David, now it was the turn of Madras. Okay, you know very well Madras was under the control of British. Fort St. George. Now Lally attacked on Madras and control over the area of Madras. For your kind information, British East India Company was much better state than its contemporary company, French East India Company. East India Company, the position of East India Company much better than French East India Company. You can say that French East India Company was more strong than French East India Company was less strong than British East India Company. British East India Company was stronger than French. Okay. When French East India Company took over control the area of Madras, then it was the turn of British East India Company. British East India Company, Robert Clive sent Colonel Ford to occupy the area of Northern Sarkar, which was under the control of French. Ford occupied Northern Sarkar and brought Sadat Jung, that was the 4th Nizam of Hyderabad, under his control. Sadat Jung gave Northern Sarkar to the British. Then a battle took place in 1760 at Vandivash between English and French. The French were defeated. There was a strong battle between French and English at the place of Vandivash. Okay, Vandivash, 22 June 1760 at the place of Vandivash. In the battle Vandivash, Sir A.R. Cote was leading British East India Company and Lally was leading the French East India Company. After this, British East India Company captured other French settlement in India, that was Pondicherry, Mahi and Karakai. When a battle took place at place Vandivash between English and French were defeated because English control over, or you can say they captured the French settlement in India, Pondicherry, Mahi and Karakai. Okay, and now the French East India Company was completely out of the game. Okay, French East India Company defeat in the Third War of Carnatic. Okay, then same time the 7-year war ended in Europe in 1763. The Treaty of Paris was signed. Okay, there was a treaty between French and English. Okay, signed. According to this treaty, as per the Treaty of Paris, Great Britain and France had to return much of the territory that they had captured during the 7-year war. Okay, according to the Treaty of Paris, Okay, you must know the name of treaty. That was Treaty of Paris. That treaty was signed between French and English. Okay, according to this treaty, it was decided that both the companies hand over their winning territory. Okay, when the 7-Year War came to end in Europe in 1763, the Treaty of Paris was signed. At the treaty, the Pondicherry was given back to French. Robert Clive succeeded in making name for himself among the native princes. He won more battle for English and foiled Dupleix. Okay, the French journal at every turn. As a result, constant defeat, Dupleix was called back to France in disgrace. After the end of Third Carnatic War, or you can say after the defeat of French East India Company in 3 wars, First Carnatic War, Second Carnatic War and Third Carnatic War, French East India Company was dissolved in 1770. French ambition of establishing an empire in India ended. The British supremacy was firmly established. When French East India Company defeat in Third Carnatic War, then British directly said to the French East India Company, now you cannot keep troops to safeguard them. French East India Company was not allowed to keep troops to safeguard them, and they were not able to now fortify their companies to protect themselves. Okay, after the treaty, Pondicherry, Karakai and Mahi was restored to French under the protection of English. Now the Battle of Vandivas established British East India Company as a permanent European power in India. That was the Third Carnatic War. You have to learn Third Carnatic War very nicely. The causes of Third Carnatic War, event of Third Carnatic War and the result of Third Carnatic War. Thank you. Have a nice day.